Rome, the eternal city, where every cobblestone whispers tales of a rich and illustrious past. This city is a living testament to a history spanning over 2 millennia, where ancient ruins sit side by side with vibrant modern life. Rome's unique blend of history, culture, and cuisine makes it a must-visit destination for any world traveler. From the awe-inspiring Colosseum to the majestic Vatican City, Rome is an open-air museum waiting to be explored. Get ready to embark on a journey through time as we count down the top 10 must-see places in Rome. At number 10, we dive into the hip and happening Monti neighborhood. Monti is Rome's secret urban gem, nestled away from the bustling city centre. It's a neighbourhood that effortlessly blends the old with the new, creating an atmosphere that's both vibrant and nostalgic. During the day, Monti's narrow cobblestone streets beckon you to explore its myriad of vintage shops and bohemian boutiques. Each corner turned is an invitation to discover something unique, something inherently Monti. As the sun dips below the Roman skyline, Monti transforms. Its vibrant nightlife comes alive, with cool bars and trendy restaurants filling up with locals and visitors alike. It's in these moments that Monti truly shines, becoming a microcosm of Rome's dynamic spirit. In essence, Monti is a neighbourhood that has a bit of everything. The charm of old Rome juxtaposed with a modern, hip vibe. Monti, a mix of old Rome charm and modern vibrancy. The perfect place to start your Roman adventure. Number 9 on our list is a feast for your senses, the Testaccio market. Situated in the heart of Rome, this bustling market is a culinary paradise. Each stall is a symphony of colours, scents and tastes, offering everything from fresh fruits, vegetables and cheeses to an array of delectable pastries and sweets. But the Testaccio market is not just about food. It's a vibrant hub of Roman life, a place where locals come to chat, shop and savour the simple pleasures of daily living. The market's history is as rich as its flavours. It has been a cornerstone of the Roman community since ancient times, serving as a testament to the city's enduring love for good food and good company. This is a place where the old meets the new, where tradition blends seamlessly with innovation, the Testaccio market, where the flavours of Rome come alive. Claiming the 8th spot is the sprawling and majestic Villa Borghese. Standing as a testament to Rome's rich history, this grand estate offers more than just a scenic retreat. Its lush gardens, spanning 80 hectares, are a wonder in themselves, a verdant tapestry woven with diverse flora, tranquil ponds, and hidden fountains. But the allure of Villa Borghese doesn't end with its natural beauty. The villa is also home to an extensive collection of art that tells the story of Rome's artistic legacy. From classical sculptures to Renaissance masterpieces, every corner of the villa is a feast for the senses. And let's not forget the villa's history. Once the summer residence of Scipione Borghese, a cardinal and art collector, it now stands as a symbol of Rome's past and present, a place where history and art come together in harmony. Villa Borghese, an oasis of art and nature in the heart of Rome. So at number 7, we ascend the iconic Spanish steps. These steps, a grand total of 135, connect the Piazza di Spagna at the base to the Piazza Trinità dei Monti at the top, where the Trinità dei Monti church proudly stands. Built in the early 18th century, the Spanish steps have seen the passage of time and the evolution of Rome itself. They've played a role in pop culture too, featuring in films like Audrey Hepburn's Roman Holiday and providing a backdrop for fashion shows. But it's not just the steps that are famous. The view from the top is breathtaking, offering a panoramic vista of the eternal city. The Spanish Steps are more than just a staircase. They're a gathering place, a spot for artists and poets, a hub of Roman life. Whether you're catching your breath after the climb or simply soaking in the atmosphere, there's no denying the allure of this iconic location, the Spanish Steps, where Rome's charm and elegance meet. Number 6 takes us back in time to the ancient Pantheon. Imagine stepping into a structure that has withstood the test of time, its imposing facade echoing the grandeur of the Roman Empire. The Pantheon, with its magnificent dome, is a marvel of ancient engineering and architecture. Considered the best preserved architectural monument of Rome, the Pantheon was built as a temple to all gods of Olympus. It's a testament to Roman ingenuity, with the world's largest unreinforced concrete dome that still inspires awe today. But the Pantheon is not just a relic of the past, it's also a living monument. It was transformed into a church, the Basilica of St. Mary and the Martyrs, in the 7th century, and continues to host masses, weddings, and even host the tombs of Italy's first 2 kings and the Renaissance artist Raphael. The Pantheon, a testament to Rome's eternal grandeur. Halfway through our countdown, at number 5, we enter the breathtaking Vatican City. Nestled within Rome's heart, the Vatican City is a city-state that has a tale to tell. As the smallest internationally recognized independent state in the world, it's packed to the brim with rich history and cultural significance. The Vatican is the spiritual and administrative headquarters of the Roman Catholic Church, housing the Pope and a trove of iconic art and architecture. Among the Vatican's many treasures, its museums are a must-visit. With over 50 galleries, they host an extensive collection of historical and artistic masterpieces from various periods and cultures. But no trip to the Vatican City is complete without stepping into the awe-inspiring St. Peter's Basilica. As one of the largest churches in the world, it's an architectural marvel, showcasing the genius of Renaissance artists like Michelangelo and Bernini. The Vatican City, where art, religion and history converge. Number 4 brings us to the vibrant Piazza Navona. This public square, nestled in the heart of Rome, is a spectacle of Baroque Roman architecture and art. Its origins date back to the 1st century AD, when it was built as a stadium for athletic contests and chariot races, known as Circus Agonalis. Today, the Piazza Navona is famous for its 3 beautiful fountains, namely the Fountain of the 4 Rivers, the Moor Fountain and the Neptune Fountain. Each one is an intricate masterpiece, offering a glimpse into Rome's rich artistic heritage. The Fountain of the 4 Rivers, in particular, is a marvel with its dramatic statues representing the 4 major rivers of the world. But the Piazza Navona is not just about its historical significance or artistic beauty. It's also about soaking in the lively atmosphere, the bustling cafes, the street artists, and the occasional open-air performance that makes this square a living, breathing part of Rome. Piazza Navona, the beating heart of Rome. Claiming the 3rd spot is the Grandiose Colosseum. As we delve into its history, we find that this colossal amphitheatre, built under Emperor Vespasian, was the beating heart of ancient Roman culture. With a capacity to hold up to 50,000 spectators, it was the stage for gladiator contests, public spectacles, and dramas. The Colosseum's architecture is a marvel in itself. Despite the ravages of time, earthquakes, and stone robbers, it stands tall as a testament to Rome's architectural prowess. Its design, a blend of circular and elliptical, was a trailblazer, inspiring countless modern stadiums. The Colosseum was not just an architectural feat, but also a reflection of the societal norms of its time. It served as a tool of propaganda for the emperors, displaying their generosity and power. The gladiatorial contests held here were brutal, yet they were an integral part of Roman entertainment. The Colosseum, where the echoes of Rome's gladiatorial past still resound. At number 2, we explore the impressive Roman Forum. Envision a place where the heartbeat of ancient Rome once pulsed. The Roman Forum, or Forum Romanum, was the nucleus of political, economic and religious life, where great orators swayed the public with their eloquence. The Forum was Rome's grandest marketplace, bustling with traders, shoppers and businessmen alike. Today, this vast expanse lies in ruins, a silent testament to Rome's glory days. Each stone and column whispers tales of the past, of triumphs and defeats, of emperors and commoners. The ruins of the Senate House, the Temple of Saturn, and the Arch of Septimius Severus are but glimpses into a bygone era that shaped the course of history. The Forum's significance extends beyond its physical remnants. It symbolizes the power and grandeur of the Roman Empire, reminding us of an age when Rome was the center of the world. The Roman Forum, where the hustle and bustle of ancient Rome once thrived. And finally, at number 1, we arrive at the stunning Trevi Fountain. A masterpiece of Baroque architecture, the Trevi Fountain is not just a fountain, it's a grand spectacle. With its intricate design and imposing presence, it's a testament to Rome's artistic and historical richness. The fountain dates back to ancient Roman times, originally serving as the endpoint of an aqueduct. The present-day design, however, was completed in the mid-18th century by Nicola Salvi. The central figure is Oceanus, the sea god, flanked by statues representing abundance and health. Now, let's talk about the coin-throwing tradition. Legend has it, tossing a coin into the fountain with your right hand over your left shoulder ensures a return trip to Rome. While it may sound like a tourist gimmick, last year alone, the coins collected amounted to over €1 million, all donated to charity. The Trevi Fountain, a symbol of Rome's timeless beauty and a must-see on any Roman itinerary.